Welcome to your math channel. Today we're going to solve another set theory problem. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment. At a school, 80 students are part of at least one of the math or science clubs. It's known that 54 students participate in the math club, 40 in the science club, and 18 are in both. What is the number of students who participate in only one of the clubs? If we have 54 in the math club minus those who are in both, let's see, you can't subtract 4 from 4. So borrow 1 here, it becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now it's 4 minus 1, that's 3, so 36. So we have 36 and 18 who participate in both. This here is the math club group. And now in the science club, we have 40 minus 18, which are those who participate in both. Same thing, 0 borrows and becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. The 4 becomes 3 minus 1, that's 2, so 22. So we have 22 who only participate in the science club and 18 who participate in both. Here's the intersection of the groups. Well, now to find out only those who participate in one, just add here 36 plus 22. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 58 students who participate in only one club. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, leave a like, and thank you very much for watching.